So you had to know
so
your
like
way
those,
back.
they've picked up dried wood. Those two ladies going that side. So they are going to a small village now.
Oh.
Those two ladies there.
I can't even see them. Where?
Those two ladies. Down that side.
Oh, okay.
So they are going to a small village. So that's dry.
Dry the branches.
Yeah, dried branches.
That's good.
Okay.
You know, the forest is supporting the community as well.
Yeah.
So that's the reason it even needs to be preserved even more.
Yes, yes. Because if they were cutting, eventually they'll cut everything down.
Yes.
There'll be no forest.
There'll be no forest.
So now the encroachment is like bare land.
It's Bella. Oh, wow. Like, where's the village actually from here?
Down the side.
Down the
Yeah, down the side.
near the stream?
Near the stream, yeah.
Okay.
Yeah.
What's the name of the village?
They call it Kasmo village.
Kasmo village? I was expecting a Zambian name.
No, they just call it Kasmo village.
Kasmo village.
Yeah.
Okay. And it's under Chieftainess
Ngomesha.
Okay.
Yeah. They call it, because even this forest, sometimes they call it Usoli land.
Usoli land?
Yeah.
Okay.
Yeah.
That was the old name before
Forest 27.
before it was called
No, it's Forest 27, but Usoli land meaning this land belongs to the
Basoli.
Basoli, yeah.
Okay. 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 How do you relate with the villagers? How's the relationship?
That's okay. They are not part of the forest. Yeah, but a long time ago they used to come and cut trees in the forest for firewood, but now they have stopped coming.
They've stopped.
Yeah, so they just come and collect the dried trees, and when there's mushroom during the rain season, that's when they come to the forest.
I've noticed in certain places, kuri ifi muti ifi kontoeke, but abantu tabafisendere. Is it for?
Nistaba fi mwenefe.
Oh. Kwati ifi so ifi.
Kwati ifi so nistaba fi mwenefe so.
Oh. Tema landmarks at. Oh. Nange fishimu tafisangwa
Filasangwa na fiena.
Filasangwa
na chila boku miyo. Filasangwa na fiena.
I can imagine.
Filasangwa. Na chila fio kumiyo. Fishimu filasangwa na fiena.
Ita ya kwata yusi.
Ichi na mutishi.
Muti?
Apatu wachifura.
Oh.
More especially nga mwasende so. But eating if you are fresh.
If you want
boiling,
Oh. You are quotation?
Yeah, nala wish na did ya. But I quotation. My wish na fina la
Okay. That's mona if you watch today. So.
Badi sendako. Eating chifu.
Okay. If you saw nishiba bantu fie.
Bantu. Not
even whatever ku. Tet mushiba.
Bapita fia babe nefe. Badi pita fia lichimona. Kabambara pita shortcut. So mbara mona fida fina.
Okay.
Balabesa mfwaye obo abambi. Babesa mfwaye nkuni. So like hapa mwamona hapa. Ponsa hapa bali temene fi mutakali.
Okay.
Bali panga marasha. So now after last time employ ma forest guards. Bantu baisale koku panga marasha. Enombe fi mutumba fefe bali tema efi mwamona file shooting.
Ni mwana na compare duku. Yale moneka ayatari sana.
Ayatari sana Ponsa hapa bali temeta pali fi muti hapa. Yo nseka area akaba itemeta pali fi muti. But after last time employ ma forest guards. Bamboksta protect forest so but this forest number yamboku monika bwino nomba yamboku wera
so if you malela ndati yala wera oloba putula shani
ifanya mi hapa dia ifinombe
yale kula nomba okay so this is after how many years number
but kwata hapa so the mitima hapa kaina 4 years akaso
okay
or 3 years so
okay wow kale nchira no kunchira
mwa
wow
cause chimu tupata chifike fya choro kwatira size I size iso. Oluchakwa na 10 years. Koze fu batuwe babasambire fimuti abalanda tukwa teach china almost 30 years ichi.
Ichi chikulire so apa.
Chichiri apechi.
Okay.
Flat taking time with chikuri.
But could at least see to recover.
At least.
As long as mule
at least to maintain the forest.
Wow. Wow. We chawa man. At least if into work ko forest at least if you ile wera.
Ile wera.
Okay. Tata ya. Ichi mti chamoneka unique.
Ichi? Sira kwata tuma kwa tuma furusi chifunyaso.
Oh.
Atra fish namu. But sweet.
Oh. Tuletwa green then kaba red
so to sweet sana so.
Oh. Okay. So to are fruiting apa pene apa?
Apa tukamba nomba.
Oh. Okay.
Apero tukamba.
Okay. Wow. Okay. So clear shine up.
Apa tu apa?
Okay.
The mountain of good.
Mountain of God. Na sandi ya chinja?
Kuno ya chinja kuno.
Kuno kushakuti bakona wala kuno.
Goodness mono. Tamwa bashitataki. Bali kusima walubafi. Tobe amve kuluba. Otherwise mwali bape safe. Bape kuluba.
A risk.
So kule sound kula konga fe kuli sound monomba.
Nishimwaisha ati mrefu mamuna.